What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to use that leftover turkey to make some green chili turkey enchiladas. Let's get started. All right, we got our ingredients all ready to go. We got that pan getting nice and warm over here on the oven as well, so we can start to make our turkey enchiladas. All right, so we got our pan actually going here today about low to medium heat because it's already that cooked turkey. So I'm going to take that turkey in here. I'm just going to add it to that pan. All right, so I pulled this meat, so more of a pulled turkey. This is all turkey breast meat off of the turkey we had yesterday for Thanksgiving. So it's already been pre-cooked, so I don't need to like really cook the turkey here. But what I'm gonna do is also take my cream cheese. Notice I kind of cubed it up as well. I'm gonna take that cream cheese in here. And I've also got myself a can of diced green chilies. This is a hot one, so you don't have to get hot if you don't want. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start mixing this together. Ultimately, what I'm trying to do is get that cream cheese to slowly melt and those green chilies so everything blends nicely together. And then we're going to use this as that filling for our turkey enchiladas. Okay, you can see that mixture is ready to go here. Things have started to melt. I went ahead and added a second can of those green chilies just because I want a few more in there. Another item you could do is instead of using just green chilies, when you go with some Rotel, just drain that Rotel out ahead of time. That's obviously not a bad idea as well. So I'm gonna let this melt just another moment. And then what we're gonna do is start to put together our enchiladas. While we're doing that, I'll get that oven preheated here at 350 degrees as well. Okay, so things are ready to go here. So I took myself this 13 by 9 baking dish here. We're going to use, I went ahead and kind of oiled it down just a little bit with some olive oil spray or avocado oil spray, just so those enchilada shells don't stick to the bottom later on. I'm just using some of those soft taco shells here today, and you can use any of your favorite brands as well. So we'll start taking those out. And simply what we're going to do is I'm gonna use the pan as a method to start getting these rolled together as well. I'll take a little bit of that mixture and I'm going to kind of spread it just near the center of that. Now these are not going to be super thick. I want to do enough of them that I can fill this pan, and then I'll go ahead and slightly roll these. So you'll see how that one's gently rolled in there. We'll get the next one going as well. And we'll continue to do this until we've completely filled this pan with our enchiladas that are stuffed with that leftover turkey. All right, so kind of smash that mixture in there as well so it spreads evenly. There we go. So I'm going to continue to do this and fill that pan. Okay, so I was able to fill that pan. I've got 7 of them here. Usually when I do this, it's usually between 7 or 8. It just depends how much filling I put inside of these, how tight I roll them. When I shredded that turkey, I had about 4 cups of that shredded turkey meat. I obviously didn't pack it down there, so it really wasn't a fully 4 cups, but close enough. So just to give you guys an idea how much we use there as well. So when it comes to the next level, you can use enchilada sauce you get in a can. This is one from a store here in town, that Fresh Time Market. So they have it in a jar as well. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to pour some green enchilada sauce directly above the top of this. Sometimes I use the entire bottle. If not, I get pretty darn close. This is about a 12-ounce bottle. I'll probably use about 10 ounces of it, save a little bit of it in case I need it on the backside. So we got that sauce spread on there, and I'm just gonna grab myself a bag of Mexican shredded cheese here, just that blend of cheeses. We're gonna spread that evenly across the top of this as well. And then after this step, you don't have to go too heavy with that cheese, but you definitely can if you want. We're gonna come back, add a little bit of seasoning on here. We'll hit it with just a little bit of that Mexican style seasoning as well. And in just a moment, that oven should be done preheating at 350. What we're gonna do is we'll take that pan, we're gonna put it in our oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. We're looking for that cheese mixture to be melted across the top. See that enchilada sauce just start to bubble across there as well. We'll know things are ready. Looks like our enchiladas are ready. Okay, as we pull those enchiladas out of the oven, ooh, we're gonna let those cool for just a moment. While they are cooling, I've got see I have a few things out over here as well. Can top these off with some sour cream, more jalapenos if you like, some diced up green onions, diced tomatoes, some fresh salsa, whatever you want on the top of these, you cannot go wrong. All right, friends, enchiladas are ready. Let them cool a little bit. You can see I put a little dollops of sour cream on there, some of those jalapenos as well. This is going to be absolutely delicious. You guys are going to love this recipe for your leftover turkey. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Check us out, all our other recipes on our YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.